So hey everybody, in this video tutorial I am going to show you how you can search on TikTok. So first of all, we opened up TikTok and as you can see, here is the search bar. Later on, if you cannot see the search bar, I'm gonna show you some steps which could help you fix this problem. If you have the search bar, you're just gonna click on the search icon and here you will be able to see your history, which you've searched for, and your recommendations, which you may like, you may want to search for. I am going to type in, for example, dogs, and just click on search. And here you will be able to see the top videos of dogs. So I can also go to users and then I will be able to see users with the username which contains dogs. So here you can also search for those people and you can just follow them. Click on their profile, search through their videos and just follow them or message them. So if you only want to see videos and not pictures and videos, you're just gonna click on the video section and here you will be able to see the videos. Probably if a video is trending and has a lot of likes and views, it's gonna be on top. You can also click on the three lines on the top right corner and just click on filters. And you can also change the filters so you don't see the videos in the order of relevance or like and view count, but like date posted, and apply, and here you will be able to see the most recent videos of dogs on TikTok. You can also search for sounds and you can use these sounds with your videos. So you're gonna just click on the sound. You can also add the sound to your favorites or use the sound right now. And you can also search for photos. Alright, so if you cannot see the search option here, what you're gonna go is just go to your profile, click on the three lines on the top right corner and click settings and privacy. Here we're gonna go to free up space and we're gonna just clear the cache because this often solves a lot of problems. It's not gonna delete your drafts, so you can just clear the cache and then you just close the app and reopen the app. If you still wasn't able to solve your problem, you may have to delete TikTok and reinstall TikTok, but it's gonna delete your drafts. So before that, I would absolutely try to just restart the phone because that usually solves a lot of problems. Or you can just check the down detector website and see if there are any problems with TikTok right now. If there are a lot of users with problems on TikTok, then it's probably gonna resolve itself within a couple hours or days. Alright, so all in all, this is how to search on TikTok. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.